2097, contact departure.
Delta 2097 is declaring an emergency. Gonna head straight out. We just lost our right engine.
Delta 2097, roger, climb and maintain 4,000, turn left heading 070, Fable.
Climb and main 4,000, 070, Delta 2097.
Delta 2097, roger, and I'll coordinate that. You're going to want to go to departure to get vectored back around.
Yeah, we'll go over to departure for Delta 2097.
Delta 2097, contact departure on 3347. Delta 2097, contact departure 3347.
3347, Delta 2097. Filling our departure Delta 2097, 2,200 accelerating, heading 070.
Delta 2097, line of departure, roger, you are radar contact, and understand you have a engine failure, and what's your intentions?
Yep, we had a engine failure on the right side, vectors back around for 8 left.
Delta 2097, roger, you're clear to Atlanta Hartsfield via radar vectors. Just continue your present heading and maintain 4,000.
So maintain 4,000, clear to Atlanta Hartsfield, present heading, Delta 2097.
Delta 2097, do you need time to burn fuel or anything, or are you ready to come back now?
Yeah, we're going to be good to come back around now, Delta 2097.
Delta 2097, turn left, heading 290.
Left 290, Delta 2097.
Delta 2097, when you get a chance, fuel on board in pounds and souls on board in any hazmat.
142 souls on board, 16,000 pounds, no hazmat, Delta 2097.
Thank you. Delta 2097, fly heading 275.
2097, go ahead.
Delta 2097, fly heading 275.
275, Delta 2097.
Delta 2097, the arrival latest, like Bravo. Airport wind is 100 at 4, and Atlanta altimeter 3007.
Copy 100,407, we've got the, for Delta 2097, thanks.
Delta 2097, fighting 270.
270, Delta 2097.
Delta 2097, do you plan on being able to exit the runway after you land?
Yeah, we should be able to expedite, just make sure you roll the trucks too for Delta 2097.
You said you want them to roll the tugs?
Yeah, for Delta 2097, we will need emergency equipment ready to meet the aircraft. We'll make an assessment. We'll stop on the runway and then get back to you to see if we can taxi.
Delta 2097, contact approach on 127.25. Good day.
12725, Delta 2097. Delta 2097 to 4,000, emergency aircraft.
Delta 2097, approach vector runway 8 left, spec vector for the visual approach.
Alright, we'll spec vector for 8 left, Delta 2097.
2097, plotting 260, vector sequence.
260, Delta 2097.
180.
180, Delta 2097.
Delta 2097, turn up heading 180.
180, Delta 2097.
Delta 2097, once you're southbound, airport will be 10 o'clock and 1 miles. Delta 2097, stop.
Yeah, we're looking, we don't have it in sight yet for Delta 2097.
2097, left to maintain 3,000.
3,000, Delta 2097.
Delta 2097, you got half, what engine?
Engine 2 for Delta 2097.
Engine 2, roger, Delta 2097. Delta 2097, limiting 120 units below 5.
120, intercept below cars for Delta 2097.
Delta 2097, once you're established on that heading, airport 11 o'clock and 20 miles.
Airport's inside Delta 2097.
Delta 2097, cleared visual approach, runway 8 left, and you can maintain 180 knots for left.
180 or left, clear for visual approach, 8 left, Delta 2097.
Delta 2097, contact tower Joe, 119.1, have a great day.
119.1, thanks, Delta 2097.
Star Delta 2097, emergency aircraft landing, 8 left.
2097 on the tower, winds are calm, runway 8 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 8 left, Delta 2097.
Tower Delta 2097, we're going to be stopped on the runway for inspection. Delta 2097, roger. And Delta 2097, I'm going to have you talk to the ARF unit on 118.7. Alright, 1187, Delta 2097, thanks. ARF1 plus ARF1, you can go to 118.7.
ARF1 received.
Off 2097.
ARF1 to the emergency aircraft.
Alright, emergency aircraft, go ahead.
Hey, what are we looking for right now? I know you have engine 2 failure.
Yep, engine 2 failure, so I need you to inspect the right side of the aircraft, look for any damage or fire, and let us know what you see.
Received. ARF1 to the emergency aircraft. As of right now, we don't see any smoke or fire or any damage.
Okay, understood, thank you.
Upon completion of the second inspection, still no smoke or fire, no damage to the number 2 engine at this time.
Excellent, thank you very much for emergency aircraft Delta 2097. We're going to taxi to the gate, we'll switch back to ATC.